In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to your navigation in Squarespace. If you want your site header to look cleaner and more modern, adding an icon to your navigation is a simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, we'll be working directly inside Squarespace's header settings and updating the cart display so it appears as an icon instead of standard text. This is especially useful if you want to save space in your navigation or give your site a more polished look. To get started, open your Squarespace site and go to the header area. From there, click on Edit Site Header. This will open the settings panel where you can control the layout and elements that appear in your site's top navigation. Once you're inside the header editor, click Add Elements. This section lets you choose which features appear in the header, such as buttons, social links, and store-related options. Since we're specifically working with the cart icon, look through the available elements and click on Cart. That adds the cart feature into your header so it can be displayed in the navigation. After the cart has been added, click the cart icon in the header preview area. This selects that specific element and gives you access to its settings. If you don't see the options right away, make sure you're clicking directly on the cart element and not just the surrounding header area. Next, click the pencil icon to edit the cart settings. This opens the customization panel for that element. Inside those settings, click on Style. The Style section is where you can control how the cart appears visually in your navigation. From there, select Icon. This changes the cart from a text-based display to an icon-based display, which is the key step in giving your navigation a more compact and streamlined appearance. Once selected, you should see the cart update right away in the preview. And that's it. You've successfully added an icon to your navigation in Squarespace by enabling the cart element and changing its display style to an icon. If you're refining your header design, this small adjustment can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your site. After making the change, take a moment to review your header on both desktop and mobile views to make sure everything looks balanced and easy to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.